Brainstorming is a powerful way to generate new ideas quickly, but sometimes it can feel slow or overwhelming. Today, you will learn simple steps to brainstorm faster and better. Step 1. Define your goal. Clearly, before you start, know exactly what you want to solve or create. Write your question or problem in one sentence. This focus will keep your ideas on track and prevent distractions. Step 2. Set a time limit. Give yourself a short time, like 5 or 10 minutes, to come up with ideas. A timer creates urgency and helps your mind work faster. You will be surprised how many ideas you can get when you work against the clock. Step 3. Use quick writing or drawing. Write or draw every idea that comes to your mind immediately. Don't worry about whether the idea is good or bad. Just get it out. Speed is more important than quality at this stage. Step 4. Avoid judging ideas. Do not criticize or filter your ideas while brainstorming. This blocks creativity and slows you down. Let all ideas flow freely. You can always review and select the best ones later. Step 5. Use simple prompts. If you get stuck, use prompts like "what if" or "how might I" to push your thinking in new directions. These questions open up fresh possibilities quickly. Step 6. Change your environment. Sometimes a new place or background helps ideas come faster. Try moving to a different room, outside, or even changing your sitting position. New surroundings can refresh your brain. Step 7. Work with others. Brainstorming with a friend or team can speed up idea generation. Different viewpoints bring new energy and help you think faster. Make sure everyone respects all ideas and does not interrupt. Step 8. Use tools. Try simple tools like sticky notes, mind maps, or apps to organize your thoughts quickly. Moving ideas around visually helps you see connections and develop ideas faster. Step 9. Take short breaks. If your ideas stop flowing, take a quick break for 1-2 minutes. Stretch or close your eyes. This refreshes your mind and improves focus when you return. Step 10. Review and pick ideas. Quickly, after your brainstorming time ends, review your ideas fast. Choose the best ones by looking for what is new, exciting, or solves your problem. Don't spend too long here. The goal is action, not perfection. Brainstorming faster and better is a skill anyone can learn with practice. Focus, speed, and freedom are the keys. Use these steps every time you need new ideas and watch your creativity grow. Try it now. Set a timer, pick a problem, and start brainstorming. You will be amazed how many ideas come out in just a few minutes.